little artists. Today, we're embarking on a creative journey with a special theme: water tankers. Are you ready to join me as we draw and color our very own water tanker? Let's dive in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our pencils and markers and get ready to create something amazing together. First, let's start with a rough pencil sketch. We'll outline the basic shape of our water tanker, including the head of the truck, the wheels, the door, and the front glass. Don't worry about making it perfect, this is just the first step. Now, let's grab our black marker and start outlining our sketch. We'll begin with the head of the truck. Then move on to the wheels. The door and the front glass. Next, we'll draw the base of the truck.
Wow!
And the water tank on top. Once our drawing is complete, it's time to clean up the artwork. We'll use an eraser to carefully remove any remaining pencil lines, leaving behind only our bold, black outlines. And now, the most exciting part, coloring our water tanker. Green color. Orange color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Again, sky blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Navy blue color. And there you have it, our colorful water tanker is ready to hit the road. I hope you had fun creating with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your artwork with us. Until next time, keep on drawing and coloring, little artists. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.